I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do.
Esbjerg is very cute and sweet. So Esbjerg welcomed us with a very... Alright my friends, so we are going to Esbjerg. I am on time. I have to take a train from the central station, Copenhagen central station. So let's go and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do in Esbjerg. Something very fun. Comedy. And before I start to tell you anything, can we appreciate the weather in Copenhagen? In Denmark, crazy. Very super funny. Super sunny, not funny. Super sunny. Little bit wind. So now waiting at the central station for our train to arrive. It's in next 14 minutes.
51, og så kører til Odense, Kolding og hele vejen til Esbjerg.
3 hours. And now I am in Esbjerg. Alright, so I have reached Esbjerg. Yes, it looked like it has rained, but now it looks really nice. I put my jacket in my bag. It's not that cold. It's summertime in Copenhagen, in Denmark. Okay, in Esbjerg. Now in Esbjerg. Okay, so Esbjerg is in Jylland. We are in Jylland and I'm feeling little cold, but super nice and excited because today we have the entire now, whatever time we have left. It's 4:30. So we'll go and see one of the things that I really want to see. The very first thing that I notice, Indian takeaway. Alright, so we have checked in our hotel and this is the room. Looks pretty cozy and pretty nice. We have the bed and there's the window. This area is to keep your stuff like jackets and clothes, and we also have a table if you want to work. But who is here to work? Yes. So let me tell you why I'm in Esbjerg. So if you know about me, I'm a comedian. I do comedy, and my friend Beck and I have been doing this comedy show called Almost Danes all across Denmark, mainly in Copenhagen, but we have done shows also across Denmark. And why to leave Esbjerg? So we have been invited by Esbjerg Kommune to do Almost Danes. It's tomorrow and I have reached. Beck would be reaching also very shortly. We're staying in the same hotel, so we also have like some dinner together. And yeah, I'm super excited to do the show in Esbjerg. It's in Jylland, as I said, and now we're gonna go out and just explore Esbjerg. Alright, so we have already started roaming in Esbjerg. Can't stop. I'm loving Esbjerg, and we're going to see men by the sea. Yes. So it started to rain, we got a little wet and now the rain is gone. But it came very fast. So Esbjerg welcomed us with a very fast rain which we couldn't avoid, and we are kind of wet. So look at this. Oh wow, this is such a nice experience. It's very close by, it's not too far from Esbjerg Central Station.
Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath?
And now the sun is shining. Now we're gonna go to the center again and enjoy some food. It's almost 6:30 now. We'll take the bus. It looks like nobody lives in Esbjerg. Only few people. This is the main shopping street. Everything is closed.
Kendinge på programmet som de gratis koncerter her på torvet, som vi også skal opleve i aften. Der er containerkunst igen i år på Dokhavn. Hygge i Tibien i Herups Have. Børnedag på torvet.
So we have chosen Indian restaurant to eat Indian food.
Loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating.
So it's time to perform Almost Danes in Esbjerg, but the weather is not in our favor. It's raining, but we're gonna ask people to also come on the stage and be with us and enjoy the show. Let's see how it goes. The Danish weather. Alright my friends, so Esbjerg trip kind of comes to an end. Now the weather is so good, there is sun and it stopped raining, but for the entire day it was raining, so I didn't record much. And Beck and I performed there almost a day. Oh god, the sun is here. And for our show, the entire day was raining, so what we had to do is like we had to let people be on the stage, and we had around 40 people, so very nice. And overall very nice experience. I loved Esbjerg. I met so many, people, and a lot of people from our Indian community. The best thing about Esbjerg for me was meeting so many, from my Indian community. So many people came also for the show. They supported, the show, and so nice to meet. This Bindi is actually from the Indian community workshop that they were doing about, Indian culture. So very nice. Some good learnings about being a comedian. You perform no matter what happens. So the feeling was like we went against the Danish winter and we still won. That's the show all about. Living in Denmark, loving it, and almost integrating.
And you're sweating, you can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
So now we are exploring the street food here in Esbjerg. Looks amazing, and we're gonna find our Toastmaster friends.